Nothing else. Okay lah guys, we go check out this museum here. It's actually a restaurant also. Just had my dinner here. Got all this weird Ferris wheels kind of place, man. It's just the entrance, you know. Apparently, Marilyn Monroe. Apparently, this is a museum for classical items here in Khao Yai, close to Khao Yai actually, near the hotel. See whether you all can spot anything that's classic to you. Hey, that's how my mother collects all this Snoopy collectibles, man. Let's see. Try to bring you for a round and check out this interesting place, man. Hanging on the bottles and ceramics. All these vintage items, legit one, I guess, from what I see. Oh, look at all these little baby dolls. Baby dolls. Oh, got the mafia here. Old school Ferris wheel. Mickey Mouse stuff. Cosmetics, ceramics again. This out, man. So all the super classic stuff. There's even one arcade machine. This one is really old school. My grandmother time one things. Ultraman. Got more. Hey, this one is real cat. Anything interesting here? Some things look quite familiar. Well, to me lah. Because most of my family members like to collect all this kind of items. Oh, this one looks really familiar. I thought Coca-Cola. Yeah, this one looks nice. It's a bridge that goes across. One with the wind, it says. You check out all these items first. An old school grandfather clock. Signages. See even from the top. It's all decorated, man. With items. See over here. Alright. All the, oh, look at this. seen any of these before. All the cuci baju and powders. Super classic, man. Vicks. I really kept everything out here. This one's, I think, much more recent stuff. Let's see. This one was the way down, I guess, for the restaurant. Let's see over here. Old school pictures, man. Oh, this one. Super baby dolls. That one confirm. All the auntie uncle shop, they will sell. Let's see. Signages. Nothing here is for sale though. It's just for your viewing. Your Terminator. And some Barbie doll stuff. Air hockey machine. We have this one. Pez. Cannot remember this one. Which one I had last time. It's nice little model battle shape. Signs. Oh, it's even a train model at the bottom. And a cable car on top. Check it out, man. Cool. Here comes one. Coming down. Smeagol also have. This one I guess is for sale. What I see. Going in further, looks like I think we are heading towards the restaurant part already. Yep, literally went one round already. This is where I just now came out from. Yep, this is the restaurant part. Let's head on back. Check out some of the things here. We got Princess Diana. Nice little model of her, man. Some Disney stuff. How about this Lego and stuff. Not too familiar. It's Lego stuff. And Thomas. More toys. These cars also look quite familiar, man. Some used to buy all the cars. What's this over here? One Piece and Dragon Ball, Zilla. More model toys. And whole set over here. But watch my step, man. So now anytime break. Fall down, break. There's even this whack-a-mole. See the flooring, Step up, step down one. And then in front of you is just some ceramics, man. Check this out, man. This is the view. See the fishball table, the whack-a-mole, and the hungry froggy. It'll be fun to play all this, man. That's pretty much the whole round, man. So I wanted to go see and then this is the entrance again. We went one round around this place. 10 minutes or so. I thought we'll go see the bridge. If they're gone with the wind, like we'll see also lah while I have to walk down. The VIP area or something, I don't know. It's a mystery, man. Nothing wrong to go and see. Where is it? I lost it. Probably this way. Yep. Through coffee bar. Coffee bar is here. Back to all this toys. Yep. Look at our bridge, man. Follow this dude. Goes across. The river. It's too dark now, so it's evening. Coming to 7 already. Just now we were dining, I was dining at the corner there. By the river. Oh, look at this. That's interesting. Come over here. There's all these bells, man, as I walk across the river. Probably just a coffee place from the looks of it. So you can see, jump, storm or shake the bridge. The coffee house lah, which we'll skip because just now I already had my dinner. Let you take a look. Coffee house just over here. Then it goes further in lah. See that side is all the other stuff. It's Banmai Vintage. The view from here. Maybe you can just sit down on this one must be the hotel area lah. This one got all the swimming pool and stuff. We head back. If I'm not wrong, this one is a restaurant plus a hotel. So that's why I better not go inside there later. Or nothing must stay there. See how I missed the step again. And back across the bridge. And this vintage. Going for another jungle walk, man. You can see. Don't know whether that one is the real Venus flytrap or not. See? Actual. Probably the actual thing, man. And the looks of it. All hanging. So gotta walk carefully. The restaurant area. Right beside the river. It's time to go, man. Quite a bit of ride back. Explore this area. Very nice place, man, this one. Really looking at all the vintage items. If I made a video, should just come by here. Get some nostalgia a bit. Right. That's it for the vintage museum, guys. Time to head on out because tomorrow is an early start and that one is got to go through Bangkok, man. So got to start early. I'll show you the front again while we go. That's the Terminator again. Yeah, good. Life size one. Marilyn. And Betty Boops. We're playing foosball. Right. Let's head on out. Show you the exit part. This one you saw already, right? Yep. You got this whole stack, man, down there. Mafia guys with Batman, Michelin Man. Spider-Man, Marilyn Monroe. So there's a look, man. There's vintage museum here. Check it out. I'll frame this in. Check out this place, man. Come here, have a meal. Take a look at all the vintage stuff. See across also actually got some more stuff lah. I don't know how to go there since they closed that off. So this is the exit lah, the entrance here. Just walk on up. Okay, you can see they have the accommodation here if you are coming around here. Right, so that's the vintage museum, guys. There's one booth. Banmai Chaynam. Just over here. Nice place to visit.